Second conditional. The second conditional is used to talk about imaginary, or not real situations that happen in the present or future. An example: if I had wings, I would fly up to the sky. Having wings is an impossible condition, because people don't have wings, so flying up to the sky is an impossible outcome. It won't happen. There are two patterns for second conditional. If, plus, past tense, plus, comma, plus, would, plus, base verb. We use a comma after the if clause. Base verb means the simple form like go, eat, or learn. Example: if I could talk to animals, I would ask dolphins what they want. The second is would, plus, base verb, plus, if, plus, past simple. Let's look at some more examples. If I lived on Mars, I would build a house with glass roof to watch the stars. If time travel were real, I would visit ancient Egypt. If I spilled coffee on my laptop, I would cry. I would feel so bored if I didn't have my phone for a day. Before we move to the next part, try this fill-in sentence. They to arrive earlier, they would get better seats. The correct answer is were. Were they to arrive earlier, they would get better seats. This is called an inverted conditional. In second conditional sentences, we can remove if and use were plus subject plus to plus base verb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next lessons.